Welcome to day 222. It is June the 4th, day 101 on the Appalachian Trail. And there we went again. See, I think I'm in a place where I can do a video while I'm walking. And yeah, so we'll keep this short. We're about maybe 6 miles into our day today. Weather was not as bad last night as forecast, but it has left these rocks wet. They don't need to be very wet. They just need to be slightly wet to be a pain in the tail. So we're picking our way over them, through them, as carefully as we can. We'll see where we get to. Got another storm coming in this afternoon. If we play this right, we'll be at a shelter where we can kind of wait it out. Hopefully it won't be more than a couple hours worth of storm, hopefully less, and we can get going again. But that's the plan. And then just see how far we get tonight. Wanted a 21-mile day. I think that's pie in the sky at this point, considering the pace we're going. Without stopping for a storm, we might get through this in about 12 hours. So before I wipe out again, or nearly wipe out again, I bid everyone a fond adieu. Adieu. Unbelievably, that's too much to say. It is really wet, really slick on these rocks. Yeah, let's try to stay on the trail, right?
Really?
Yeah. When you can make out one.
Yeah, exactly.
Welcome to day 223. Still stepping between on and over wet rocks. We're 2 miles into our 13-mile day, which will bring us into Delaware Water Gap, where we'll have a bed, a shower, a roof over our head, and dinner with Steve and Amy. So that will be nice. It's also day 102 on the Appalachian Trail, and it is June the 5th. This was pretty much the way it was as we ended the day yesterday. It wears you out. We both slipped. We did not fall yesterday. I've already fallen twice on the Pennsylvania rocks, but did not fall yesterday. I just wish I had a joyful song to sing along with this trail right now.
Hey. Hey. I'm not gonna hurt you. There you are.